Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 50 Pro and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the first way, because today I'd like to present to you two different ways. And the first one requires a secret code. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see here in this pop-out window, we've got the serial number at the bottom of it. So this is a really quick way of checking the serial number. And now the second one through the settings. So let's tap on them and open them. Here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now we have to try to localize the serial number. I believe it will be in the device details or device identifiers. Let me check this one, not here, so device details. Right here we've got the model at the top, so let's tap on it, and as you can see at the bottom of it, under the model information, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.